All right, today we're going to learn about direct objects, which are the basis of pattern 2. What is a direct object? A direct object is a noun or pronoun in the predicate that receives the action of the verb. A direct object does not mean the same thing as the subject noun. If it does, it is called a predicate nominative and is another pattern we will learn later. For example, Joni is my mother. Mother is another name for Joni. Mother is not a direct object. How to find a direct object. A direct object can be found by asking what or whom after the verb. For example, the girl threw the ball. Threw what? Ball. Ball is our direct object. How to label a direct object. A direct object is labeled with the abbreviation DO. Let's look at another example. Ryan will pet the dog. Pet what? Dog. I actually should probably take out the because the is our article adjective. So dog would technically be our direct object. All right. Write down these sentences and label the direct objects. Jimmy passed the papers to Jenny. Barbara likes the movie. And Jesus shows love to us. Now, I often think of direct objects like birthday presents. They are the receiver of the action when somebody gives a present. The present is the direct object. The receiver of the present is what we call an indirect object, and we won't learn those until pattern 3. All right, check your work. Our direct object in the first sentence is papers. The second sentence is movie, and the third sentence is love. Now be careful, to Jenny, he didn't pass Jenny, he passed papers. He doesn't like, she likes the movie, so that is all there is. Jesus shows love, he doesn't show us. He shows love to us, or us love, but he really just shows love in that sentence. Okay, transitive verbs. If there is a direct object in the sentence, the verb is transitive. A transitive verb is an action verb that transfers the action from the subject to the direct object. We label the transitive verbs as V-T, which stands for verb transitive. All right, let's look at some examples. Again, we'll just use the same ones we already did, so you don't have to rewrite them. But now I would like you to label the transitive verbs. Okay, let's check your work. Past would be your verb transitive, likes is your verb transitive, and shows is your verb transitive. All right, how do we write pattern 2 or label it? You know how we've been doing SNV P1? Now we have something else on the bottom. SNVT DO P2. That stands for subject noun verb transitive direct object pattern 2. Yes, the DO needs to go on the bottom because we have our basic sentence on top, subject noun and a verb, and then our direct object, which is added. All right, here's your turn. Copy the sentence and label it. Sally gave the gift. Be sure to bring it to class so that you can check it.